Hi guys, this is Victor. Welcome to my channel. So today's video I wanted to show you how to set up your own karaoke system at home. The most important equipment for the karaoke system is the karaoke machine. So I ordered this karaoke machine online, and this one has 1 TB storage space. It cost me about $300 US, but you can order other models online. It has different storage space and a different screen size. I think this one is a 18-inch screen size with touch screen. So this is the interface. Okay, you can change the language, and this is the English interface. So normally you come to the music, you can order the song by the song's name, singer's name, or by different playlist ranking, or you can plug in your local drive to play the music from there. And it also can store your favorite songs. And then once you order, it will show up here. This is the list that the karaoke machine will play as this order. Okay, and then you can manage, skip, and delete from this list. And this karaoke machine also has the AI scoring function. So when you sing, it can the machine can score your performance. So it will be fun to have a small family singing competition. Coming out from this karaoke machine, there are 2 types of signals. So it will give you 1 audio output and 1 video output. Okay, I'm going to show you how to connect these equipment. So the video output will come out through this HDMI cable. It's already connected from here. So you can connect your HDMI to a TV screen, but for this setup, I use a projector. This projector allows me have a screen size up to 150 inch. Yeah, it's a pretty fundamental, basic. I don't have to have a really high resolution as a TV does, but I just wanted to have a very huge screen when I sing. So audio output coming out from karaoke machine through this RCA cable. So since the length is limited, so you may need to find an RCA cable extension cord. The principal connection is red to red, white to white, or sometimes you have this like a gray, so gray to white, but make sure it's a color match. Okay, so the RCA cable connect to the next device is the mixer. Okay, so the mixer allow you to mix up the voice from microphone and karaoke machine music songs together, and then generate one output. Okay, so and then with this mixer you can play around and then adjust the which sound effect you want stronger based on your 2 inputs. And this is a wireless microphone. So I personally like the wireless microphone because you don't have too much wiring across the room, and then it may cause people trip and fall. The principle is very simple. Each wireless microphone has a dedicated frequency, and then it needs to match whatever the base equipment frequency is. So when I turn on, yeah, see the frequency, and then you can adjust the frequency on the microphone, and then it will just automatically connect to the equipment. And then this one cost me $80 US. You charge 5 hours each time, and it can allow you to sing 2.5 hours. So it works pretty well. Okay. So from the karaoke machine, the audio output connect through the cable. It's one end is a 1/4-inch cable, and then the other side is the RCA cable. So that's the cable to connect microphone equipment and mixer. And from mixer to the receiver, the cable is all RCA cables. And this mixer cost less than $60 online. This is good enough to support this entire karaoke system. Okay, so next, once you have one audio input from the karaoke machine and one audio input from karaoke machine, it generates one uniform audio output from this mixer. The next, this output will connect to this device called a receiver. But the main purpose I buy this receiver is to amplify that audio input throughout my stereo speaker system. Okay, I think some people may just need a fun amplifier. It may work too, but one thing you need to remember is the power of this machine has to be 1.5 larger than the total power of the speaker system, so it can carry the stereo system. This receiver I ordered online from Costco, but if your local Costco store has this, you may have a better deal without extra shipping cost. This is a very popular model that they sell at Costco. It has a lot of functions. Actually, you can connect to your TV, you can play game, you can play movie with it. You can has a Bluetooth, connect to your phone to play music sometimes, and yeah, it has a very powerful function. But mainly for this karaoke system, I just want it to amplify and carry out the sound through my speaker system. That's the main reason I choose this. But yeah, for you, based on your preference, you may need to do something else. So all the cables from the speaker system needs to connect to this receiver as the audio output. So you may have one, you may have two or three, but like my setup here, I have total of 5 speakers. So this home stereo speaker system has one center front, and 2 left and right front speakers, and then there are 2 small bookshelf speakers at the back. So that can provide you a stereo effect sound system. It works really well at my house. This is a list of devices I purchased and the cost when I bought those. I'm not professional, so I did not go super expensive on those devices, but I did not go really cheap neither, because I still want a decent home karaoke system. I just wanted to have this karaoke system at home to enjoy some singing time on the weekends with families. I believe these are the most popular models and devices out there. You may choose something else based on your own budget and preference. I will post the link for each device down to the description part of this video, so you guys can know exactly the model, price, and where I bought it. This is a diagram that I made to show you guys how to connect each device and what cables you may need to connect them each other. I hope you can follow my setup and learn how to set up your own karaoke system at home. Before I end this video, I want to show you guys a real singing clip with my home karaoke system. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.
沙之江南下，你是否能知道？窗前的明月照，你独自一人远眺，白月光是年少。 是他。